Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn and explore how to add header and footer in Microsoft Word document. So it's very simple. You have to click on Insert tab and there is a separate group of header and footer available. It can vary from depend on the Microsoft Word application version which you are using, but you will find header and footer in the Insert tab. Alright, so how to add the header or footer? If you hold your mouse and with that cursor, you can see there are two different rulers on your document, the horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. And from this gray area on the ruler, if you double click on this extra space on top of this page, you will find this extra space. So when you double click here, the header section will get enabled. And if you see on top, there is a separate tab or a different tab of header and footer will get enabled, where you can start typing whatever you want to have in your document at the top of every page. So what more you can do on the headers, you can insert a picture which is available on your local hard drive. It might be a logo of your organization. You can have the picture online within this document and as a part of the header. You can add some quick parts like auto text or any other kind of field you want to have for a document property. You can insert a date and time, preferably it comes at the footer, right? You can insert a page number. Again, the page number's most appropriate place would be a footer instead of header, but there are different kind of locations available to add the page number with a different styles as well, right? So once you are done with the header, you can click on navigation. In the navigation, you have an option called go to footer. So it will let you to the footer area where you can customize the footer as well, right? There is another option in the options group as well. Sometimes what you want is a different header and footer on the first page of the document, and also even in some of the cases you want a different header and footer as compared to odd and even pages. So you can do settings as well. Even if we talk about more advanced, if you have more sections in your document, so you can customize your header and footer differently for each of the section as well. So in the coming videos, we will also talk about how to add sections in your Word document. Once you are done with the header settings, for example, if I write Excel basement, you can click on close header and footer, and you will again come to the main document area part, right? Similarly, if you go to the downwards of this page, where you will again find some extra space, and when you double click, the footer will get enabled, or you can go to insert tab and click on footer, right? And when you click on added footer, again this part will get enabled and you will find all those features. So you can add a lot of variety of things in the footer as well, the name of the author, the file name or a file path, or any other thing you would like to have in it, right? So I hope you will add the header and footer, and it's very necessary to have the header and footer which provides a consistent information um, of your document. And many times if you have read the books, you will find the title of the book on the header and page number at the footer as well. So it's very important to learn that how to add the header and footer in Word document. Thank you.